We are into weeks of this pandemic. There's still a lot of questions out there. We are trying our best to get the answers to you. Joining us again is infectious diseases specialist, Dr. Isaac Bogoch. Dr. Bogoch, testing is a really popular topic right now. Countries saying we need more of it, including Canada. There are countries who are using blood tests, and these can tell in 15 minutes whether or not you've been exposed to the virus. Some of those tests we know are even made here in Canada, but they're not approved yet for use in this country. Why not?
They will be soon. I know that Health Canada is reviewing several different tests, and these are excellent. These are really designed, like you point out, to answer the question: have you been infected with this virus? Yes or no. They don't answer the question: are you currently infected with this virus? But the question, the have you been infected with this virus question is an extremely important question to ask. These are under review, and I think we're going to start to see them being used rather widely in the coming weeks.
U.S. scientists have found this potential link between a vaccine that is used to protect against tuberculosis and COVID-19. What does the research here suggest?
Oh, this is fascinating. This is the BCG vaccine. Many people listening might have had this vaccine if they were born outside of Canada. It's a vaccine that was initially developed to help really reduce the burden or the severity of illness if someone does develop tuberculosis. And it may prevent tuberculosis in some settings. But it's interesting because it has what we call an immunomodulatory effect, meaning it might help your immune system respond to certain things, even cancers and certain types of infections. So this is still unanswered. We still don't know if this will work or not, but there is a theory that people who have been vaccinated with BCG may have some protection against the virus. So no conclusions. These are open questions, and I think they're great questions to ask, and I hope we have some answers soon.
This is one from one of our Facebook followers. They asked this: will a pneumonia vaccine help to reduce the chance of COVID-19 causing pneumonia?
So there's a pneumonia vaccine that's indicated for certain age groups and people with certain underlying medical conditions. And I think obviously everyone who should be getting the pneumonia vaccine should definitely get it. It's a perfect time to optimize your health as we start to see COVID-19's spread throughout parts of Canada. It may be helpful because we know that some people get the viral pneumonia, and sometimes after the viral pneumonia, this can be followed by a bacterial pneumonia. So in people who are susceptible to these bacterial pneumonias, that vaccine could be helpful. I should really point out, though, it's really going to be only useful in the populations that should be receiving that vaccine. So these are, typically older individuals or
right.
people with underlying medical conditions.
Really quickly, Dr. Bogoch, according to the data so far, men appear to be dying from the virus at a higher rate than women. What might be the science behind this?
Yeah, you know what? I'm not entirely sure. And we've seen this play out in various populations. This is certainly something that warrants investigation. I'm not entirely sure this is what we call an epiphenomenon, meaning that's just how data is being collected. Like, we have to be careful. Is this just men seeking healthcare or testing on men and some biases, or if this is truly a sex and gender difference? So I'm very curious to see how this data plays out. I can't really explain that.
As always, Dr. Bogoch, I want to give you a special thanks for being our answer go-to with all of the questions that we have about COVID-19. And I know our viewers have a lot of questions, and you've been great at answering them all week long.
Oh,
thanks
so
for being with us.
Take care. Have a great day.
Yeah, we will. And if you have any questions, just a reminder, you can send them to us on social media. Here's our addresses. Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.